Today's topic is why pre-processing on the data is necessary and data quality. So today's real world databases are noisy. Some of the data are missing, some of the data are inconsistent because of the huge size, and they are collected from the multiple heterogeneous sources. So it is necessary to pre-process that data. So that is why we have to consider the quality of the data. So what is the data quality? Data have the quality if they satisfy the requirements of the intended use. So there are many factors comprising of data quality, including accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, reliability and interpretability. Accuracy means whether the data is correct or wrong. Some of the time the data may be wrong. So, at some time the salary is filled as in the minus value, so that data is not accurate. Then completeness, the data is not recorded properly and it is not completed, because while feeding the data entry operator may think that this data is not important. Then consistency there is no consistency in the data. Some data is modified but some is not modified. Then timeliness, whether the data is timely updated or not. Then reliability means how we will trust that the data is correct. Then interpretability means the data should be understood by all the persons. So these are the data measures of data quality: accuracy, completeness, consistency, timeliness, reliability and interpretability. So the major task in the data processing is data cleaning, means clean the noise which is present in the data. That is done by filling the missing values, smooth noisy data, identify or remove outliers and resolve inconsistency. Integration, data integration means integration of multiple databases or integration of heterogeneous data sources. Data reduction means reduce the data by taking the samples or by taking the aggregation of the values. In this there is a dimensionality reduction, numerosity reduction and data compression techniques is used. Then data transformation and data discretization, in this the normalization and concept hierarchy generation is used. So these are the 4 data pre-processing technique: data cleaning, data integration, data reduction and data transformation and data discretization. Now we will see this one by one in the next lecture.